Welcome back. In this part of the training, I want to talk about TFT touch and the TFT touch technique. So what is TFT touching? TFT touching was developed by Dr. Callahan, and Dr. Callahan found out that if you touch certain parts on your body, then it's actually possible to relieve pain. And it's not that Dr. Callahan found this out. Ancient cultures are using that for many decades, of course, but Dr. Callahan implemented it again and made a technique out of it that we can use now. And the basis of that is that you're touching meridian points. These are special points on your body, and this will help you to relieve energy blocks and get your energy moving again. And when your energy is moving again in your body, it's much easier to relieve the pain and minimize your pain. For this part of the course, I will use a video that Julie did, and Julie is a practitioner in TFT touching, and she personally learned from Dr. Callahan. So this is why I thought it's probably a good idea to let her show you how everything works. And in the next slide here on this one, you will find a link to her YouTube channel. So I want to ask you to subscribe to her channel. Tap into Now is her channel. She's really great in TFT touching. And I will just link the video below, and please watch the video, because in this video she's very detailed describing how the TFT touching works, and she's guiding you through a session basically. She's showing you what points to touch. Then there's also elements like humming in this video, and there's everything you need to know how you can actually release your pain and why it's working. She's showing you the parts on your body that you can tap and that will help you relieve the energy. So please, now you will find the link to the video of Julie in the video description, or if you watch that on our platform, you will find the video below. So go ahead and watch it, and you will have a very good understanding about TFT touching and how it will help you to relieve your pain.